playing Black Strike minigames. I play Black Strike minigames mode because minigame mode, you don't know what to do. I'm not a minigame kid. This is just a Black Strike minigame. So we have to play minigame in this Black Strike. It's just like a tag game, okay? So I'll be quiet because my voice can hear. Here we go in. I cannot talk, but I'm talking, but I can't. I know you can hear me. I can't. I mean, I know you can't hear me. So, if you hear me, you're blown. Oh, here go. Can I come back now? Wait. Bro, I can't. Wait. Oh wait. Oh crap. Bro. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Oh wait. I cannot. Bro, what the heck is happening right now? Oh crap. Bro, minigames is hard. Bro. Okay, nah. Whoa! Bro, what the? Okay. I got that going for me. Oh crap! Oh, jeez. Alright. Wait. Wait, this is hard. This is so hard. Bro. Okay, this is not possible at all. I mean, it's possible. Alright, we're going. Wait, did I triple jump? I know that there was a invisible wall, so I'm not gonna see invisible wall. Look. Wait, what? I'm too fast. No way. Hey, I'm proving to you that there's some invisible wall. I'm proving. Provoke you. Look. See, there was some visible wall, so I can go in it. So here we go. Bro, there's just no way. There's no way. Bro, how? I mean, bro. Cannot. Bro, there's just no way. Bro, it's sliding. Wait! No way! There's no way. Hey, no way. Oh, 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 oh. Go, go. Alright, alrighty. Oh, crap. Oh, I need to go. Yes, 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 yes. So, all we need is here. Not to touch. I need to make sure to save that control ball. Like this, like, and then install this. Not hard at all. Ooh! Woo! I almost died. Oh, that was so easy. Oh, oh crap. This is so hard. Oh! Wow. But I got that. Wait, there's no way. We're gonna do a Roblox strat. No way, Roblox strat. Not now. No way, Roblox strat. Hmm. Okay, not Roblox strat. I'm just going to my fire. Because why not? I'm not a fireless. Oh wait, there's no way. No way. No way. No way. Uh, uh, uh. There's actually no way. If I'm dying, I'm gonna change new game. Like bro, not like bro. No, I mean in this box strike, I'm gonna change new mode. Not gonna change a new game because in that my last video actually I AFK'd. I don't know. I forgot my last video. So until this, we're not die today because is so see. Wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. We actually see this. Oh wait, that was a trap. So we have to look down and see if there's a black shadow. If there's a shadow, it means the bro. There's so many. Okay, okay. I need to focus right now because it's hard. Oh, wait, what? There's no way. Oh wait, it's easy. You just make don't to fall, right? I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Ah! Bro, there's no way. I need to get top of this. Bro is using Roblox strat right now. Bro, stop! Bro, stop! Hi. Ooh. Yo, what the heck? There's no way we have to do this. Okay. Wait, it's moving! It's moving! Oh. Wait, this is so crazy. to Cray. Cray. Oh, that was so easy for start. Right. Wait, I'm programming, huh? Wait, what is this? Wait, you mean I have to jump? Ayan, so I have to focus right now because these are hardy. So how? And bro, it's because I can't jump and I don't jump. I need to jump, but I can't jump. There's no preventing. Ow! Ow! Slapping me is too much. Alright. Yo. No way! The second one is so hard. Hey, bro. Oh, wait, I mean it. Dang. What? There's no one. I'm going to eat this. So you need to stare at this. Bro, it's so crazy. Bro, not even this. Huh? Then how? Oh wait, I'm lagging. There's no way. Bro, I'm lagging too much. I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. No wait, you have to. So it was. I don't know. But... Bro, there's no way. I'm lagging too much. Bro! How am I? It's so hard to think, bro. Bro, no way. So you have to look on this. Huh? If I can't. You have no tricks. I have no glue. So if he moves, I move. That was so close. No matter. Bro, I had to focus on it. No, wait. How? It's getting easy. Bro, it's because I can. Bro. Wait, how? Wait, there's no preventing. So you have to slow down. Wait, how do I slow down? Bro, there's moving. See? There's no way. It's almost there. See how? It's moving too much, I can't. I'm getting hypnotized. Huh? Wait, if it gets far, means bro. Bro. Oh wait! Let's go! What the? Wait. Oh wait. No way. No way. This is more harder than I thought. Oh, okay. Oh. Ah! 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 Bro, these like things would. These like scream. Then I jump, bro. There's no way. Ah! 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 Wow! It doesn't seem that good. Eh. Oh. Oh. Bro! How do I do this, bro? Bro, I always jumping every move. No way. No way. Ah! 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 No way. I'm just joking. I'm screaming, but I click jump when I'm screaming right now. I need to get past of this. No way. I swear, if I fall once, I'm gonna get the inward pass. Oh wait, that's the thing. Bro, it doesn't seem that I block people right now. I wanna kill them because no racist, right? I'm not racist, but I wanna kill them. Black people are like, no way, no way I can. Oh, okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Bro, there's no way. I'm hungry. I'm angry, bro. I have to cut. Hey, I'm here. Okay. Alright. I'm just trying to get my angry out. Ooh! Ooh! Okay, alright, there's no way I'm getting angry. Oh, oh wait. Oh. Oh. Wait, conquer. No way I can't. I cannot pass that. Bro, how am I? Bro, wait. No way. I'm getting high, then getting me down. It's so crazy. If I get down again, I'm gonna change minigames. Okay. Just don't fall, bro. If I fall, I'm gonna change any minigames here. My only task is not to touch the white. Bro, this knife is white, but I don't care. Only that's fair. I can't step on that white. It's only fair. I'm touching white, but not stepping in it. Oh. Hunger. Bro! There's no way. There's no way. If I fall once. Bro, it's letting me down. How dumb. I get. Bro. It's so hard. I wanna go. Bro! I cannot pass the third one, bro! I cannot pass the third one, bro! I swear, I'm gonna hack this game if I died once, okay? I hate this game. Gee. Wait. No way, no way, no. No way, no way. I'm gonna go. No way. No way. Guys, Kirito is here. I think, please be sick once. Because if it's real, I'm dead. It's gonna be Sigma me. Then Fun attacks my food. I mean, there's no food I had. But it's gonna Fun attacks my food soon. Oh crap! It's on me. Bro! I mean, Bro, I swear, I'm trying to swipe in. Dude, I get in. Bro, stop falling. Okay, how do I hit the freaking wall? Okay, you know what na? Nah. I'm just gonna spin run this. I don't care if I fall, I don't care. Please. It's so hard in here. Bro, how do I fall? I mean, bro, it's so hard. I cannot pass on that. See? I keep falling because I cannot pass. Like this, I swear. Wow. Okay, no way. Oh crap. He's eating. Bro's cooking right now. I cannot cook. Wow. 2, 3. Now it's finished. See? Now I fall. Wow. Bro, I cannot see because of this stupid freaking nothing game. Bro thinks he's cooking. This developer thinks he's cooking right now. Like, bro, he's only fair because he's eating. He's eating the blocks, bro. Stop eating it, bro. I swear. I'm getting angry. Guys, I wanna pee. Okay. Let me pee first. Just stay there and just gotta go back first. I am back. Alright, let's go. I'm back. I'm back to the dead. It's hard. It's only fair. Bro, Okay, focus. Bro, I cannot get in. Because it's only one block. I cannot reach. Bro, how? Oh, there's no way. If I fall, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Okay, you know what? Okay, fine. Bro, I'm so nervous. I'm not ready speaking Tagalog on my first. Ano ba yan? Ba't pa ako nagtatalo dito sa stupid game na to? Okay, I tried that. Okay, I tried. I am. Because I am Filipino. Okay, you know what? Change the freaking minigames. I hate this. So, nag-change na tayo ng minigames. So, kaya... Hindi sa atin yun. Because wala na tayo nito. Hindi. Hindi wala na nito. Ano yung guys dito? Wow! Wait. No, wait. Again. Okay. Here, hot knife. Wait. Oh, this one is fair because... Oh wait, it had... This already dead. So dead. This all dead. Okay. They trying to beat Jurassico. Bro, why did you jump in there? You literally saw it. You literally saw it. 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Ayun na siya. Naging murder na. Kaya ang kulit-kulit na yan. Bakit mo pa yung kasi. Oy! They're not... What the heck is that avatar? Bro, what the... It's just Jeff. Just the killer. I don't know, bro. So, let's speak two languages. English and Tagalog. Okay. Ano ba to? Unlocked na, okay? Oh, wait. Ang super lag. Okay, wala na tayong magawa kasi. She's weird. Okay. Wait, minute. This is stairs again. No, it's not moving. Alright, so... Oh, wait! Wait! He's not... Wait! I'm not yet... I'm not ready yet. Bro, I'm not ready yet, bro! I quit. Bro, I'm not ready yet. Bro, this is a freaking server. No. Team deathmatch. deathmatches. Team deathmatches. Wait, this is fucking no way. That was so. What? Oh, wait, wait, no, wait, no, wait, no, wait, no, wait, no, wait, no, 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 no. Bro. Bro! Wait. Wait, I cannot change right now. No, I cannot change. Oh, really? First time. Ow! No, 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 no. Run back. No, 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 no. Bro, I cannot. Wait, can I change this issue? Wait, this is new. I'm really angry. Wait, pushing them. What's this? Oh, pick it up. Ow. Ow. Oh, no. Wait, one. Yes. I just died, bruh. Bro, what the heck is happening? Go! There's no way they're hiding. Look, they're hiding in the freaking car. Then, they're trying to come to. There's no way. I mean, good. How? What are they waiting? See? You smoke in? They capturing us.
Panginan muna.
Bro, there's no way. Bro, where am I? Bro, I'm fighting him. Wait, what? I think I have fear. Okay, next side. Bro, how? He's reloading. He's reloading then how? Bro. Wait na. Let me see. How is he aiming? Now this pumpkin. Oh what? I'm killing him. Okay. See, that's the only way. That is my favorite. Ow! How do I miss it? Bro, I really got it in no time. See, I sniped it, bro. Then double check. Look. See, I didn't get. Wow. I'm using that. See now I'm killing. This pumpkin because this just so bad at the game. See, this spam killing now. You want? You want? Now the revolver. No, where is it? Okay. Vale. Nah, they did. He jumping, bro. Sorry, I'm eating. My God, oh. Guys, next game. Next mini game.
Nakamihingi pa. Talaga? Oo naman yung mga kuya. Dahil kasi nasa taas.
It's only 3. Only 5. 5 na nga. Bro, actually died.
Bayad na, oh. Sabaw. Hindi natatapon.
There's only this one taking too long. What the hell? Wait, I'm not ready. I wrote. God, nice. What's that? Nice. Wait. Wait. Where's the default? Alright, what's the hot knife? What's the hot knife? I think the hot knife was gone. Yeah, it's games are included if I'm done. Wait, I'm crowded. I will run. Oh wait, the grandpa guy. That one grandpa guy. Ow, 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 no. That knife. That knife is going to me. That knife is going to me. Wait, what's the knife? Wait. Ooh. 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 Where's the hot knife? Where is the hot knife? Wow. Wait, the hot knife is odd. Nobody. Not me. Wait. Don't tell me. Wait, why? Wait. Wait! He's kissing me! Wait, I have to get up. Oh, wait. Wait. That's not me. Nothing. Bro. What's wrong? She's good. Man, I'm raiding her. Guys, if I die, I eat banana. Eat super. Ano lang? Oh! I finally teach how to climb on this. Wait, I'm not changing. Next one. Now we are in party. What's the disco? Disco. And you know what it is. That's racist! You know what? Let me say this. Me. I just don't think I'm not racist. And I just got it. Because I want to make a content. Oh wait. Oh. 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 What the heck? Let me try that again. Wait. 3, 2, Shut up, bitch.
Kaso minum ka ng tubig ha. Tamis yan.
Let's see. Okay. That's okay. No. Okay. Oh. 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 Crap. Oh. English, English is Spanish. English is Spanish. It's asking. English is Spanish. Wait. When se escribió la primera serie. Did you know there's something? Did you know? Did you know there's something? Did you know? Sabla.
Ay, pumasok ang sigaw ah. Saan doro yan?
Next, that's so boring. Oh my god. Wow. Ouch. Ito agad. Bystander. That's so boring. Ay, diba? Tara. Ah. Rubber suit. Bro, I'm not good at sniper. How? Hmm. Oh, okay.
Saan na, JC? Uy, kaya tayo mo? Bakit? Sarap si. Ano ba tayo? Ano ba niya?
Oh, crap. Bro! I did 19 damage. And my health is 100. Bro, how? I hate this game. So guys, if you want more last time videos, just give it a subscribe.